what's up you guys? It's me, Slay, and welcome back to my channel. So, today is probably one of the most difficult videos I probably have filmed in my whole YouTube career. I decided to do this whole entire look, and it took me about 3 hours. Like, I know that's like less than like actual beauty gurus. This whole thing right here took a long time that I did not expect. My best friend got me this palette. I was like, you know what? I think it's time to try out some new things, try out some new looks, and I did this. Bear with me throughout the video. I know you guys are gonna see some eyelash malfunction because that was my first time putting on eyelashes. I was just gonna like mascara my own lashes, but like they were not full enough and they didn't look right, so I was like, you know what, let me try lashes. Next time I'm just gonna do my actual lashes because these don't look right, especially this one. Like, it's poking up right there. So just throughout the video, pretend the lashes look good. So today's look, I did a red fiery dragon look inspired by Nikkita Dragun, and I saw her tattoo. I'm gonna put up a picture. I saw the tattoo and I was like, oh, I'm gonna do that on my face. I started drawing it and I was like, yeah, no, this ain't gonna work out. So it's basically a dragon inspired look with a lot of reds and oranges going on. Without further ado, let's get right into the video.
Only you, look at that. Only you.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. If you did, give it a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below because I make videos once a week. That's two, once a week. And follow me on all my social medias, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. I guess that's all. Comment down below your favorite part of the video. Until next time, my beautiful subscribers. Bye. Peace.
Hey.